Check, check. Mic check. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Is this thing on? La 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 la. Are you ready, Bill?
Rock on, Penny.
Oh yeah. Here we come now, singing money, money.
Oops, we blew a speaker.
Wow, we must have rocked too hard.
Yeah! Oh no, now we can't play the big show tonight.
That does not rock. But wait, I have an idea. I save all my money in this piggy bank. Maybe I have enough to fix the speaker.
That would rock. But first, we'll have to count all the money to make sure we have enough.
I bet there are all kinds of coins inside my piggy bank.
I can't wait to see what they look like. Let's sing a song to learn about the different coins. The coin that's worth 1 cent.
That's the smallest amount.
Is the copper-colored penny.
And each penny gets 1 count. Abraham Lincoln is on the front of the penny. 100 make $1.
Wow, that's so many!
The coin called a nickel
Is worth 5 cents.
it's bigger than a penny.
Now that makes sense. On the front of the nickel is Thomas Jefferson. The Declaration of Independence draftsperson. The smallest coin we have
Is the thin little dime.
with Franklin D. Roosevelt.
On the front at this time. 10 cents is the worth of the dime. It's easy to remember as we sing this rhyme. This coin is a quarter.
The edge has many grooves.
It's worth 25 cents.
Now check out these moves.
Oh, so many quarters.
All different on the back.
Variety is one thing.
The quarters do not lack. George Washington's been on the front, it's true. Of the quarter of $1 since 1932. On the front of the $50
Is John F. Kennedy.
it's worth 50 cents.
But you won't find many. Dollar coins changed color.
From silver to gold.
It helps tell them apart.
From quarters, I am told. Sacagawea is on the one that looks gold. But Susan B. Anthony is on the silver one of old.
Who is Sacagawea?
Sacagawea was a famous Shoshone interpreter and guide. In the early 1800s, she helped two famous explorers, Lewis and Clark, discover new lands in the western part of the United States. If it wasn't for Sacagawea, Lewis and Clark may never have seen the Great Plains or the Pacific Ocean.
Wow, Bill, that's a really neat story. I guess all those people who are on the coins must be very important to the United States.
That's right, Penny. In fact, starting in 2007, the U.S. Mint began releasing 4 new dollar coins every year. Each one of these coins will have the face of a different American president on the front, and all of them will have the Statue of Liberty on the back. Here are just a few of these coins. They're about the same size and color as the Sacagawea dollar, but look! They have writing on the edge. Now that we know what the coins look like, let's learn to count them. We'll start by counting pennies. Wow, Penny, it kind of looks like you.
I don't know. I don't really see the resemblance.
Now, if we want enough pennies to equal a dollar bill, we'll have to count 100 pennies.
We could count them one by one, or to make it go a little faster, we could count by twos, pulling 2 pennies toward us each time we count.
That sounds like a good idea. 1 penny is also called 1 cent, so 2 pennies are 2 cents. Let's count by twos until we have a dollar, or 100 cents. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100!
Hooray! We counted 100 cents. That's a whole dollar. There are other ways we can count pennies too. We can put them in stacks of 5 or 10 and skip count using the stacks.
Putting pennies in stacks also makes it easier if we have to count them with other coins. Like the nickel.
Nickels are the silver-colored coins with Thomas Jefferson on the front, and they have a very smooth edge. They're also thicker and heavier than pennies.
That's right. Now remember, nickels can have different designs on them. They're made that way by the United States Mint.
I love mints, especially chocolate mints.
No, Penny, not that kind of mint. When we are talking about coins, the word mint means a place where the coins are made. Take a look at these nickels. They all have Thomas Jefferson on the front, but this one has a close-up of him. Even though they look a little different from each other, each nickel is still worth 5 cents.
So counting nickels is like counting by fives.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now that we've counted the nickels up to a dollar, let's see how many nickels it took to make that dollar.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, to make a dollar, we need 100 pennies or 20 nickels. Let's see how many dimes we need to make a dollar. Dimes are the smallest coins of all, and they have Franklin D. Roosevelt on the front. The edges of the dimes are not smooth. They have ridges. But wait a second. If dimes are worth more than nickels and pennies, why are they the smallest coin?
Well, let me tell you a little about the history of money. Dimes, quarters, half dollars, and dollar coins used to be made of real silver. The half dollar weighed half as much as a dollar, the quarter weighed 1/4 as much as a dollar, and the dime weighed 1/10 as much as a dollar. Nickels and pennies were always made of metals that weren't as precious as silver, because if the coins were smaller than a dime, they'd be easy to lose. That's why the dime is our smallest coin.
Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting. But our coins aren't made of silver anymore, are they, Bill?
No, not anymore. All coins minted today are made of metals that are less valuable, like copper, nickel, and zinc.
All right, let's learn how to count the dimes. Because dimes are worth 10 cents each, we need to count by tens.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Let's see. How many dimes did it take to make a dollar?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dimes make a dollar. Now let's count some quarters.
Take a look at all these different kinds of quarters. In 1999, the U.S. Mint started a program to commemorate each of the 50 states in the order that they joined the Union. Each state is honored by having its own design on the back of the quarter. So, about every 10 weeks from 1999 to 2008, the Mint has changed what is on the back of the quarter. Quarters made before 1999 have an eagle on the back. But all quarters have our first president, George Washington, on the front.
I've always thought counting quarters was fun.
25, 50, 75 a dollar.
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 So it takes only 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters to make a dollar.
That's because a quarter is 1/4 of a dollar, or 25 cents. Look, Bill, this coin is really big.
Yes, Penny, it is. And you know what else? It's worth even more than a quarter.
No, really?
Yes, a half dollar is worth 50 cents.
So we only need 2 of these half dollars to make a dollar.
50 cents a
dollar. 50 cents a dollar. 50 cents a dollar.
2 half dollars make $1. That just makes sense. But we usually don't see many of these half dollars around. They are a lot bigger than quarters, and they have John F. Kennedy on the front.
The next coins are the dollar coins. We have the Sacagawea coin and the Susan B. Anthony coin.
Each is worth $1, just like the presidential dollar coins. But the dollar also comes in paper form, the dollar bill.
Like coins, the way paper money looks changes from time to time. But don't worry, you'll be able to tell how much each bill is worth from the number printed on it.
Look at this $1 bill to see what we mean. You will see both the number 1 and the word 1 printed on the bill.
We have several different kinds of bills in the U.S. The most common are ones, fives, 10s, 20s, 50s, and 100s.
Wow. May I keep one of those 100s? Just so I can remember what they look like.
Let me see. No.
When we want to write about money, we can do it in 3 different ways. Let me show you an example with a quarter and a dollar bill. 1, we can write every word out, putting the dollars first, the word and, then the cents. So this would be $1.25. We use this way when we write checks.
2, we can use a dollar sign and decimal. Write the dollar sign and put the number of dollars after it. Then put the decimal point with the number of cents after that. This is the way you see prices written most often. When we write money this way, we show the cents in 2 digits to the right of the decimal point, because they are 100ths of a dollar.
3, we can use the cent sign. Because a dollar equals 100 cents, we write $1.25 as 125 cents with the cent sign after it.
But this way of writing money is usually used when writing amounts less than $1. I've seen it used a lot at garage sales. When counting change at a garage sale, or anywhere, it's good to know about coin combinations. It takes 5 pennies to equal a nickel, 10 pennies to equal a dime, 25 pennies to equal a quarter, 50 pennies to equal a $50, and 100 pennies to equal a dollar.
That's a lot of pennies, Penny. I like having coins that are worth more, like the nickel, because you don't have to carry as many. It takes 2 nickels to equal a dime, 5 nickels to equal a quarter, 10 nickels to equal a $50, and 20 nickels to equal a dollar.
Dimes are pretty cool because they're worth more and they're smaller. However, they are kind of tricky.
What do you mean, dimes are tricky?
Well, we can't use only dimes to equal a quarter. We need 2 dimes and a nickel to equal a quarter.
Or 2 dimes and 5 pennies.
That's right! And it takes 5 dimes to equal a $50 and 10 dimes to equal a dollar.
Quarters are my favorite coins because there's so many different designs. It takes 2 quarters to equal a $50 and 4 quarters to equal a dollar.
$50 are hard to find, but you only need 2 of them to equal a dollar.
Since you don't see them very often, you might have to put 2 quarters with the $50 to equal a dollar.
It's fun making coin combinations. The more you practice, the better you get.
Whenever I empty my piggy bank, the first thing I do is separate the coins so that I have all the pennies in one pile, all the nickels in another, the dimes in another, then the quarters, then the $50, and finally the dollar coins and bills.
That makes it easier to count how much money you have. Start with the large coins and use skip counting to put all of the coins into dollar piles.
Sometimes I don't have the right number of coins to do the skip counting all the way up to a dollar, so I just use some of the smaller coins to finish up the dollar. Hey, Penny, why don't we count the money in your piggy bank? Maybe we can get our speaker fixed.
Okay, first we'll separate the coins. Here are 2 Susan B. Anthony dollars,
1 Sacagawea dollar,
3 $50,
9 quarters, 4 dimes, 10 nickels.
And a whole pile of pennies!
Let's put the coins in groups that are equal to $1 so we can count how many dollars we have.
Here's $1, $2, $3 from the dollar coins.
Let's count 2 of the half dollars. 50, $1. That brings us to $4.
We have another $half left. If we put 2 of the quarters with it, that makes another $1. $5 total.
That leaves us with 7 quarters. Let's add them slowly. 25, 50, 75, $1. That's $6 so far. Now let's count the other 3 quarters. 25, 50, 75.
And if we add 2 of the dimes and a nickel, that will make another $1. Now we have $7 counted.
That leaves us with 2 dimes. 10, 20, 20 cents. We can skip count using the nickels from there. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 cents.
Let's see if we can get to $1 with the pennies. 1 more would make 66. Now let's skip count 2 pennies at a time. 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98. Uh-oh, only 1 more, 99.
That makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7.99.
Wait, I just remembered. I found a penny on the sidewalk this morning. Now we have 8 whole dollars.
That may not be enough to get the speaker fixed. Maybe I should call our friend Dylan at the music store to see if he can help us out. Maybe he can loan us a speaker to use.
You don't have to call me, man. I'm right here. I thought I'd drop by to see how things are going.
Dude, do you think you can fix our speaker?
Let me take a look. No problem. It's just a loose wire. I won't charge you anything.
Whoa, Dylan, you're pretty amazing. The speaker works, and I get to keep my piggy bank full.
Yeah, thanks, Dylan. You're a great friend, and now we can rock tonight after all.
Groovy!
Now that we've counted the money in your piggy bank, let's practice some more. Remember, start counting with the largest coin and use skip counting wherever you can.
5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 17 cents.
10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 36 cents.
25, 30, 31, 32, 32 cents.
25, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 81 cents.
10, 20, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 42 cents.
25, 35, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61. That gives us 61 cents.
25, 50, 75, 85, 86, 87, 88, 88 cents.
25, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 59 cents.
Wow, look at all these coins! 25, 50, 75, 85, 90, 95, 96, 98, 100, 102, 102 cents, or $1.02.
$1, 50, 100 makes $2, 50, 75, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. That's another $1 for $3 total.
Great! Now let's play a game called Count the Coins. See if you can count the coins faster than we do. We'll give you a little help on the first few, then you're on your own. Ready?
$0.13.
$0.28.
$0.46.
$0.92.
$100 or $1.
$0.26.
$0.51.
$0.95.
$0.79.
$0.99. Count-tastic! Now that we know how to count money, we will know if we have enough to buy certain things.
Count-tastic? I'm not sure that's a word.
It is now.
Okay then, let's do some count-tastic make-believe shopping to practice. On the left side of the screen, we'll show some things we might want to buy. On the right side of the screen, we'll show the money we have available. Let's practice shopping!
First, let's see how much money we have. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 cents. 9 is less than the 12 cents that the gumball costs. So we don't have quite enough money to get the gum.
Guess we'll have to choose something else. 5, 10, 15, 15 cents. 15 is 1 cent more than the 14 cents that this eraser costs. So we can buy the eraser and get 1 penny or 1 cent back.
That'll work. Good job. $10, $15, $20, $25, 25 cents. Hey, that's exactly what we need to buy this apple.
$10, $20, $25, $26, $27, $28, $29. 29 cents. But we only need 28 cents. We get the pencil and we get to keep 1 penny.
I've always got at least 1 penny. Me! $25, $35, 35 cents. That's more than we need for this cool sticker. To know how much change we should get back, we'll start at the price of the sticker and count up to how much money we have. The sticker is 33 cents. 34, 35. That's 2 cents we'll get back.
More gum? Well, okay. Let's try it. 25, 30, 35, 36.
Oh, we need 2 pennies to get this pack of gum. Say, could we use the 2 cents we had left over from the sparkly sticker?
Sure, but I get a piece of gum too.
You got it. Strawberry lip gloss.
Oh, brother.
Hey, I want to buy this. Let's see. I have 25, 35, 40, 40 cents. I can get the lip gloss and a penny back.
We have 25, 50, 50 cents. That's more than enough to get this pen. But let's see how much we'd get back. The price is 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That's 4 cents back. Oh, 1 more cent and we'd get a nickel.
Yum, lemonade. Do we have enough?
25, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 43 cents. Looks like we'll have to find a water fountain instead. Cool. Look at this unusual balloon.
Let's see if we have enough to get it. 25, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 52 cents.
Whew, just enough. We won't get any change back.
Oh, how cute! Look how small these cards are. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60 cents. That's more than enough for the cards. Now to calculate the change.
Start with the price of 54 cents. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That makes 6 cents.
So we could get back 6 pennies or 1 nickel and 1 penny.
A granola bar with nuts and raisins.
And it's only 62 cents. That sounds reasonable.
Just count the money.
25, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 67 cents. That's more than enough for this granola bar.
The granola bar costs 62 cents, And we have 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. That's 5 cents more than we need.
That means we get to keep the nickel and get the granola bar.
Sometimes, instead of counting all of our money first, when we get close to the price of what we want, we can try to make exact change with the coins we have left. For example, if we counted this again, 25, 50, 60, we know that the next nickel would put us over the price.
So, we can look to see if the pennies could give us exact change. 61, 62, and they can! So we don't even have to count the nickel. I know that 4 quarters make $1, so we have more than enough to buy this toy top. Hey, Bill, why don't we use what we just learned to see if we can make exact change?
No problem. Start with the biggest coins first. 25, 50, but stop there. 1 more quarter would put us over the price. Let's add the dime. That brings us to 60 cents. Now the nickel, 65. And we'll add pennies until we reach the price. 66, 67, 68, 69.
Hooray! We made exact change!
Now, what do we do with a toy top?
You spin it, silly!
Okay.
This is easy. 50, 75, we have 75 cents. Since the hot dog is 72 cents, we should get 73, 74, 75, 3 cents back.
Hot dog!
Oh, I love kitties! Can we buy this pin?
50, 60, 70. The other dime would put us over. But the nickel gives us 75 cents, exactly what we need.
Great! I can get the pin, and we can keep 1 dime.
That's my favorite candy bar.
Let's see. 50, 75, another quarter would be over, and a nickel would be over too. But 1 penny makes the 76 cents we need.
Cool! We had exact change, and we get to keep the nickel and 1 quarter.
That makes 30 cents we can save.
$50, $60, $70, $75, $76, only 76 cents. Oh man, we'll have to save up some more to get this trading card.
We could just use the dollar coin and get some change back, but maybe we have exact change.
Let's count it and see.
25, 50, 75, 85, 90, 91.
Aw, only 1 penny off. Looks like you're going to have to use the dollar coin. The bracelet is 92 cents.
93, 94, 95. That's 3 pennies, and 5 more cents or a nickel brings us to the dollar. I get 8 cents change.
And you get to keep the quarters, dime, nickel, and penny.
Now that's what I call a compact car. I get to sit up front.
Only if you're the size of a penny. We could just use the dollar bill and the dollar coin. But let's check to see if we can make exact change. 25, 50, 75, 85, 90, 91, 92. Hey, we can!
Let's use the dollar coin with the 92 cents you counted to buy the toy car.
Yeah, the dollar bill won't be as heavy in my pocket.
Maybe I should carry that in my purse. You can drive the car.
Mamma mia! pepperoni and green olives with anchovies.
Ew! Let's see. $1, 50, 75, $2, 25, 35. Another dime would be too much. But the nickel makes exactly the $2.40 we need for that icky pizza slice.
Exactly! Exact change, that is. And we have one of the dimes left over.
I have a feeling that pizza's gonna be left over too. It might actually be good if it didn't have the anchovies.
What a cute bear!
Ooh, do we have enough?
$1, $2, 25, 50, 75, 85, 95, and one of the nickels makes $3. Now back to the dimes. 10, 20, 30, the remaining nickels, 35, 40, 45, and the pennies, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52.
Aw, we're 5 cents short.
I can barely stand it. Here, I found a nickel in the parking lot.
Thanks, Bill. Hey, look! A real bear! Can I take him home?
Are you kidding? That bear would eat everything in sight.
You're probably right. Besides, I think we may be a little short on change.
Check out this CD I found in the bargain bin. I'll bet it's hilarious.
And it's only $5. Let's see if we have enough. $1, $2, 50 cents, $3, 50, 75, $4, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $5.
So we get the CD and we have 3 pennies left over. You know, the price tag on an item is not always the final sales price.
Yeah, sometimes they add on tax at the register.
So if you want to buy something, be sure you have enough money to pay for it and cover the sales tax.
There are times when you need to be the person that makes correct change.
Like at a lemonade stand or a bake sale. Or if you help out at a garage sale.
Yeah, so it's a good idea to know how to make change.
I like to make change by starting with the price of the item sold and counting up to the amount of money the customer gave me.
Another tip is to start using pennies and smaller coins to get to a point where you can skip count using larger coins.
Let's do some examples. On the left side of the screen, you will see an item from our garage sale with the price tag. The amount of money the customer is giving us will be below the item.
On the bottom right side of the screen, you'll see the amount of change we have available to give back. As we count out the change, we'll move it to the top of the screen. We need to know how much money they're paying first. Then we can count the change.
Let's see, this puzzle is 66 cents. And the money given is 3/4 or 25, 50, 75 cents.
Now, we'll count up from the price of the puzzle until we reach the amount the customer paid. Starting at 66 cents, 4 pennies would make 68, 70, and 1 nickel would bring us to 75 cents. So they get back 4 pennies and 1 nickel. 9 cents.
Hey, that's us on that puzzle. How puzzling. Let's try another one. Hey, look, this thing really rocks.
It's easy to see that they're paying with $1. So all we really have to count is the change.
Starting at the price, 87, 88, 89, 90. and one of the dimes makes $1. So the change they get is 10, 11, 12, 13 cents.
Let's count the change for this dollar. Starting at 42, we count pennies. 43, 44, 45. Now we can use a nickel. 50. And then quarters to finish. 75, $1.
So they ended up getting 25, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58 cents. They're paying $1.25.
The price is $1.13. So, 14, 15, and a dime makes $1.25.
For a total of 12 cents change.
Okay, the amount they gave us is $5.05, or 505.
Here is another tip for making change. Look at the amount of money the customer gives you. If the coin part of what they give you is greater than or equal to the coin part of the price, make change for the coin part first. Then make change for the dollar part.
Let me see if I have this straight. The price is $3.05. The customer gave me $5.05. The coin part of the price is equal to the coin part the customer paid, 5 cents. So I only have to make change for the dollars.
That's right. $3.05, $4.05, $5.05. The customer gets $2 change. This customer is paying with $5.25, $50, 75 cents.
Sometimes people will give you change close to what they owe so that they don't have to carry around as many coins. Using the tip we just learned, let's look at the coin part. The 75 cents of the money given is greater than the 64 cents of the price. Let's make change for the coin part first.
Since they owed 64 cents as the coin part of the price, we'll start counting up until we get to the 75 cents that they gave us. So, 64 plus 1 penny gives us 65, and 2 of these nickels will bring us to 70, 75. If we had any dimes, we could have given them 1 dime instead of the 2 nickels. But unfortunately, we can't give the smallest number of coins if we don't have them.
Now we'll make change for the dollar part. They owed $3. We need 2 more to make the 4, 5 that they paid.
They get $1, $2, and 5, 10, 11 cents change. Whoa, cool! I love watching these things.
Me too. I just don't have room for it. The lava lamp only costs $5.95, so this person could pay with just the $10 bill. But sometimes customers want to carry as few bills and coins as possible.
We'll use the dollar bill to make change for the coin part of the price.
That'll be easy. We only need 1 nickel to bring the 95 cents to $1.
Now to make change for the $10 bill. The dollar part of the price is $5, so this $5 bill will make it add up to the 10 that they gave us.
They ended up with $5.05 in change.
It's easy to see that they are paying with $10.
Let's start with the price, $7.50. And if we add this $0.50, that brings us to $8. Then we can give them either this dollar coin or a dollar bill to make 9, and another dollar bill brings us to 10.
That's $1, $2.50 they get in change.
Looks like we could have made change several different ways with the change we have available.
That's right. Instead of using the $0.50, we could have used 1 quarter, 2 dimes, and a nickel to go with the $2 bills.
Or we could have used a quarter, 1 dime, 2 nickels, and 5 pennies instead of the $0.50. But most of the time, people don't want to carry around all of those extra coins. We should try to make change using the least amount of coins possible.
I hope they enjoy this bike as much as I have.
Let's count the amount they gave us. $10, $11, and 2 cents. Wait a minute. They really only needed the $10 bill and the dollar coin. The 2 cents is not greater than or equal to the 27 cents in the price.
But sometimes people want a particular kind of change, like if they want to get back quarters for a vending machine. We'll count change like normal, then see if the 2 pennies help us out.
So counting from the price of $10.27, 3 pennies makes 28, 29, 30, 2 dimes makes 40, 50, 2 quarters makes 75, $11. But they gave us $11.02, so we'll give them 2 more pennies.
Now count the change we gave. 25, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 75 cents change. But we could give them that amount with fewer coins.
Hey, that's right! I guess they wanted 3 quarters instead of having to carry around 2 quarters, 2 dimes, and 5 pennies. That's pretty cool.
And now for our last garage sale item, an old TV.
Wow, we get to make change for a $20 bill.
It's just as easy as all the rest.
Start at the price, $12.45. A nickel brings us to $12.50. Then the quarters, $12.75, $13.
Then the dollars, 14, 15.
And one $5 bill makes $20.
That's $5, $6, $7, and 25, 50, 55 cents change.
Whew, we did it! I hope they enjoy the TV.
Having a garage sale is fun. We made some money and got rid of some things we don't use or play with anymore.
And we got lots of practice counting money and making change. Good evening, everybody! I'm Penny Money, and this is Bill Dollar. This is our band, the Changemakers!
We'd like to send this song out to our very special friends in the front row. So everybody, put your hands together and let's rock!
When I need something new and I don't know what to do, I just shake, 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 shake my piggy bank.
I save my money when I can, so I'll have a backup plan. I just shake, 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 shake my piggy bank.
There's lots of fun to be had, no reason to be sad. When you shake, 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 shake your piggy bank.
Quarters, dimes, nickels and pennies, dollar coins and bills, there are